Welcome to Apollo Proton Cancer Center, South Asia's and the Middle East's first and only facility of its kind. From the moment you come in, you'll enter a whole new world of Indian hospitality, steeped in tradition yet modern in its approach, where we still believe Atithi Devo Bhava, a guest is God. You will discover care and warmth at every turn. From the moment you're ready, everything gets personalized for you, so your experience is truly customized. Drawing inspiration from our world-renowned scientists and researchers, our therapy bays are our tribute to their legacy. In a flash, our team of specialist doctors swing into action. A detailed study of your reports has gone over so that you get the care that is best designed for your specific needs. And even here, personalization is key, right from your choice of lighting to the music you like to hear. Everything, but everything is customized so that you can just lie back and relax.
Okay, so you are witnessing the proton therapy treatment here. As you can see, this is the gantry of the proton and this is a robotic couch. And the patient is already there, stationed up. It's a super accurate treatment and precise. And the couch can also move and the gantry can also move. What I want to tell my viewers is that it is a completely painless treatment. Patient doesn't feel anything, and we make sure where the proton has to go really goes to the exact point where it is intended to go. And this is done every day for about 15 to 20 to 25 minutes and over a period of time, Monday to Friday, for about 5 to 6 weeks of treatment. And because the ability of the proton is that it just stops at the edge of the tumor where we want to treat, at a deep-seated tumor where otherwise the conventional treatment cannot go, there is practically no side effects at all because there is no radiation beyond where we want to go.
Every minute detail, every minute of your proton therapy treatment is monitored by our eagle-eyed team. Truly an interface between modern scientific care and warm traditional hospitality.
Proton beam therapy is currently among the most sophisticated form of cancer treatment for many patients throughout the world. Proton beam therapy, as compared to conventional X-rays or photon, has the ability to stop beyond where we intend for it to go, and therefore can spare a significant amount of normal tissue such that there is better tumor control and also reduction of late-term radiation-induced side effects. Apollo Proton Cancer Center in Chennai here currently still is the first and only operational such unit in India, in South Asia, as well as in the entire Middle East. We have treated hundreds of patients already and have accumulated very large experience right from in different age groups. Our youngest patient was a 16-month-old child and our oldest patient was 88-year-old. In a range of cancer sites, for example, difficult sites in the brain, in the skull base, near the eye, because of its ability to limit the radiation dose to the surrounding structures, for complex cancer sites in head and neck cancers, in the throat cancer, in the mediastinum, in the lung cancer, left side of the breast, stomach, pancreas, liver, GI cancers, anal canal, rectum, all the pediatric malignancies, all the cancers where otherwise the traditional form of treatment of surgery and chemotherapy and targeted therapy are not able to accomplish sustained tumor control, proton therapy is indicated in one of these conditions. And we are happy to report excellent outcomes throughout the world. There is emerging evidence for the indication of proton beam therapy, and because we have the state-of-the-art treatment facility here in Apollo Cancer Center in Chennai, we will be able to deliver this treatment to the hundreds and thousands of patients, cancer patients in the entire country and in the region, for us to help them give care for effective and long-standing tumor control, reduction of the side effects, such they have not only excellent survival but also excellent long-term survivorship.
We leave no situation unplanned for. be it for the elderly or for the naughtiest of children.
Hi, I'm a pediatric anesthetist. We at Apollo Proton Cancer Center help children who do not cooperate for proton therapy by giving sedation to them. We have a full-fledged, well-equipped pediatric anesthesia induction room and a recovery to take care of them. We also have well-trained nurses, pediatric nurses and technicians to help with caring them. Thank you.
Hi, I'm John Charlie on behalf of Apollo Proton Cancer Center, and thank each and everyone for watching this movie.
Welcome to Apollo Proton Cancer Center. True care redefined, pushing the frontiers of advanced cancer care.